So welcome to Python online classes. So now we are going to learn how to write file and how to write content to the file in the text file using Python programming language. So first what I will do, I will create a Python file. I will write a code with comments, and thereafter I will explain each and every line of code, and I will show you whether file is created or not and whether content is written successfully or not after execution of that file. So first observe the screen and observe the code, what's happening with the Python file. So first I will create a new file, then I am saving this file with the name file example on examples folder in the E drive. So I will save file as write file example2.py. So already I have a write file example file here. So I say write file example2.py. So I can say save, and now what I will do, I will write code with comments. This tutorial helps you to learn how to write text file using Python programming. Clear? So first I will write f is equal open file name, any file name, hi.txt, comma, mode is w because it's a write mode. So this will open file hi.txt if it exists, otherwise it will create hi.txt file. So that's the first line. So it will open a file hi.txt if it is exist. If file is not exist, then it will create a new file called hi.txt. Create a hi.txt new file, and thereafter we will write code f.write some content, hello world. So I am going to add content called hello world to that file. So this hello world content will be added to the file, and after adding I need to close the file. So I say close. F.close is to closing a file, closing a file, and this write, it will write content as hello world in file. So after that, whether it is executed successfully or not, we need to write a one dummy print statement, file written successfully. So this print statement will print on console, and w write hello world will be written into the your file called hi.txt. So this will print on console. So this is our file. So now what I will do, I will save this file, save. So before execution of this file, I will check whether hi.txt is available or not in my examples folder. I will go to my computer and then E drive, and then I will have examples folder, and here I have only append file txt, new file txt, hi.txt file is not available. So that means it will create a file, and after that it will write the content. After execution of this write file example2.py, so I will run this file. I will go to the run and then run module. So I will click on run module, file written successfully. That means our code does not have any kind of errors. So now I need to check whether file is created or not in the same folder. So I will go to the example folder, and here I can find hi.txt. It will created on 28/4/2020 1/2. That means just now. I need to check whether content is written into this file or not. Open the file, has a content called hello world. So content is written into the file. So this is how you need to write a content to a text file using Python programming language. So that's all about write file example.